another blessing.
Morning sunshine through the blinds. Your sleepy smile still catches mine. Coffee brewing, sweet aroma. Nothing feels more like home.
No fancy plans, no rush today. Just a quiet little getaway. Right here inside these four walls, love answers every call. Your favorite cup is waiting there, a little cream just how you like. We laugh about the smallest things, like the treasures life can bring. Every sunrise feels brand new, simply waking up with you. No place I'd rather ever be than sharing this first melody. Before the world starts calling, before the busy day begins, let's steal a little moment, just us again. 2 cups of coffee,
one heart, one dream,
a little more grateful
than yesterday seemed. 2 cups of coffee, one table, 2 chairs, a lifetime of love found right here.
The world can wait,
we've got all we need. 2 cups of coffee, and you beside me. Some people search for something more. We've already found what we're looking for. Not in riches, not in fame, just hearing you call my name.
Every morning starts the same, still it never feels routine. Love keeps writing brand new pages, even after all these years.
Let's grow up,
one sunrise at a time,
one more laugh,
one more smile,
one more reason
to thank God for today.
2 cups of coffee, 2 cups of coffee, one heart, one dream.
Still living every promise we dream.
2 cups of coffee, one table, 2 chairs.
Forever begins every morning,
right here.
whatever tomorrow may bring.
The first song I'll ever sing
Is your name
over 2 cups of coffee.
See you tomorrow morning.
2 cups of coffee, same table,
Same love. Good morning.